So we are going to use a lot of what are called comparison operators when we are using branching code blocks, because that it gives us a more advanced ability to determine whether something is true or not. Okay, so when we're using comparison operators, the most common one is it equal? Okay, that's sorry for the typo, but it's asking, is it equal? Is something equal to something else? So when I look at that, if x is equal to 0, even though I set x to 0, which didn't print before because when I just had x here, that comes out to false. But if I ask the question, is x equal to 0? Then that becomes true because it's true. X is equal to 0. So it's true. So it will print all the lines of code. Okay?